name is Tyler Juarez. I'm 12 years old and I got a CrossFit conversion. 15-pound bar, 10, 5, 10, and 5 that equals 45.
Ready? Right, I'll turn it on. Here we go. 10 seconds.
Let's go, Bub. It's all right. Let's go. You got it. What are you doing? Let's go.
You got a minute and a half.
Let's go.
Buddy.
Let's
Come on,
go.
Ty.
Let's go. Clean it and go.
Come on, Ty, stay with it. Come on, you got this.
Lock them. There you go. There you go. Let's go, let's go.
Come on, Ty.
Get you 4 more. Let's go, 4 more.
Come on, you got this. Come on, you got this, Tyler. There you go. There you go. Come on, push it.
Let's go, 2 more.
Push it, Tyler. Come on. Yes. Come on. Yes.
Let's go.
You're ready. Couple no reps there, Ty. Not bad.
Already? You're giving out.
It's usually not the squat problem, it's holding it up here.
Did you get him?
There you go.
Yeah. You got a minute.
1 minute.
Well, this is the beginning. For every engine is a lead that starts. When they bring the dark, we bring the light. Let's go.
10 seconds. Three, two, one, go.
Come on, Tom.
Keep your hands in. Go, Buck.
46.
Let's go. Get you 100. Let's go.
Concentrate.
Go, Buck. Keep your hands in.
73. 74.
Let's go, Buck.
Take a breath.
Let's go, Ty.
Come on, Tyler, concentrate.
Keep your hands in, bud.
Come on, get a rhythm. Come on, Tyler, get a rhythm.
Scoot there
There
here.
you go.
106.
Come on,
Let's go,
Tyler.
bud. Get your rhythm, bud. Keep your hands tight.
Keep them feet together, Ty. Keep them. There you go.
Let's go. 10 seconds.
Come on,
10
you got it.
seconds. Let's go. Get on it. Three seconds.
127.
Woo!